Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AJ Bell Dodl app. Review my usage experience. AJ Bell Dodl app. Review my usage experience offers a straightforward investment app designed for beginners and those looking for a simplified approach to investing. Its main purpose is to allow users to easily buy and sell funds and shares. Key features appear to include a clean interface, a focus on low fees, and potentially fractional share purchasing. Their website provides details on the specifics. AJ Bell Dodl positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to more complex investment platforms. A key benefit is its stated commitment to transparent pricing, with no hidden fees mentioned on their website. They highlight the ease of use for those new to investing. Availability is limited to UK residents, as far as I can tell. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AJ Bell Dodl app. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was quick and intuitive. I was trading within 15 minutes of signing up. The interface is incredibly clean and easy to navigate. Finding specific funds was simple, and placing trades was straightforward. The app performed flawlessly throughout my testing period. I experienced no lag or glitches. I had a quick question about tax implications and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which I appreciated. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to quickly monitor my portfolio performance. The standout feature for me was definitely the fractional share buying. It allows me to invest smaller amounts in higher-priced stocks. One minor drawback was the limited research tools available compared to some competitors. It's perfectly adequate for simpler investing, but more advanced users may find it lacking. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AJ Bell Dodl. It's a great option for beginners and those who want a simple, user-friendly platform for managing their investments. That's my overview of AJ Bell Dodl app. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.